Before we start building the wireframe on Figma, let's just quickly have an overview on what wireframe is. So, wireframe is a simple sketch of a website or an app. It shows you where things like buttons, images, text will go without any design details. It helps plan the layout and organization. So, if you're looking to build a website or an application, you would before jumping into design, you would want to build a wireframe for that so that you clearly know which elements or components go where, and that gives you a clear visibility on building the design. Okay, let's move on to building the wireframe on Figma. All right, in order to create the wireframe, we will need to log into Figma. I'm already logged in here. So you'll have to log in through Google or any of the options you see there. Once you log into Figma, you will be seeing a page like this. So what you need to do is you need to click on the design file. You will have this empty page. You'll have to give it a title. I'm just going to give it a title of home page. All right. So now I'm just going to get a image, or you can get from Google or anywhere. You can get an inspiration just to practice. So I'm just going to I already have downloaded. I'm just going to drag and drop it here. Okay. In order to adjust the size, you need to press Command or Control and scroll it to zoom it out and zoom it in. Okay. So I'm just going to, and you can click shift and then scroll in order to adjust where you want to keep the image. Now I'm going to click on frame. You can see various options here. I'm just going to take, since we are building a mobile application wireframe, I'm just going to click on the first option. Okay, this is what the size of the iPhone 14 Pro is. So I'm just gonna adjust the image the same way here. All right. Okay. All right. Now we have something similar side by side. Okay. So now we have empty design here, uh, empty frame, wherein now you will have to basically see what we have. We have options menu, search bar, icons, cards, and set of icons and some text. Okay. So let's just go ahead and click on the rectangle and just draw it here like this. Okay. And we have an icon here. Okay. We have icon here. Okay. Let's do one thing. I'm just going to copy paste this same thing. So it looks similar. In order to copy paste, you'll have to click Control or Command C, and as usual, we have uh, the copy paste buttons. Then, okay, we have two icons. Now we need a search bar. Just gonna click on the rectangle again. I'm just going to create a search bar here. Okay. Now you can see the edges is not similar to this. So in order to do that, we need to go on the corner radius and just click on the uh, first button of the mouse and just drag it. Okay. Now we have something similar. All right. Um, then we have text inside. I'm just going to click on the text icon and just click here. Hit search. Okay, now you can just adjust it with the arrow button where you want to place it. All right, now we have the search bar. Now we have four icons here. So I'm just going to take a circle and just draw it here. Okay, let's make four copies. So I've just copy pasted it. Control or Command C plus Command V. Okay, we have our four icons here. Let's just place it properly. Okay, now we need to add the text. All right, I don't think it's aligned. Okay, now it looks better. Now I'm just going to add a text. Okay, adjust it with arrow key. And let's add one more text. Swimming. All right, adjust it with the arrow key. Then I'm going to add another text. Okay, let's just adjust it again. Press the arrow button however you want to adjust. Oh, okay, done. Now we have to add one more text. Okay, all right. Okay, now we have to build, give it a title here. So I'm just going to give it a title here. Popular exercises. Courses, sorry. Course. Okay. Popular course. Then another text here. View all. All right. Now we have a card component with text inside this. We are just going to click on the rectangle button again here. And let's just drag. Okay. I think this looks better. All right. Now in order to adjust the corner radius, I'm just going to drag and adjust the size. Okay, it looks similar. Now let's just copy paste another uh, card. Okay, so this, as you can see, this will be more of a moving card component. So let's add the title. Again, I'm just going to click here. Boxing course. Okay, there we go. And under that we have, so let's just adjust the size of the text. I'm just gonna click here. Okay, this looks better. I'm just going to adjust it. I'm just clicking the arrow button. Okay. Now we need to add another text here. So let's just click on the text button, click it here. 4.8 rating. Okay, this is too big. Okay, this looks better. Okay, to review. Okay, as you can see here, we have built the text. We have put the text. Now we need one more uh, text here. I'm just gonna copy paste this. Okay, what do we have? Boxing dot kick dot sorry boxing dot pjj. Okay, the text is too big, so I'm just gonna adjust the size again. Uh, okay, just gonna keep it 13. All right, so we have something similar. Now I'm just gonna copy paste the same. So in order to do that, click Control Shift and then click on the set of things you want to copy. Just copy and uh, Command C, Command V, and then you have the same thing here. Okay. Let's just adjust it here as well. Let's just move the card size. Okay, we are going to type guided. Okay. Meditation dot X. Okay, as you can see here, we are quite close. Okay, now we have another title underneath that. Click on T, health article. Okay, let's just move it to, just keep it as same as how it's on the design. I'm just going to change the text size 16. Let's keep it 20. So we have to keep this in mind that we are building a wireframe. So it's not a design that we are building. So it's all right if the text sizes are small or a little big, but you have to give the overview what are the details which is going to be there on the wireframe, and in order to for it to move forward to design stage and the development stage, you need to have this ready. Right now we have 4 set of icon here, so I'm just going to, as you can see, it's a nested component. uh so it has one component here. Inside that there are 4 components. So let's just draw another rectangle here. Okay, now we have to adjust the radius, corner radius. So I'm just gonna drag it again. Okay, this seems better. I think the size is a little smaller. Okay. All right. Now we have to put the icons, 4 set of icons. In order to do that, we have to click on the rectangle again. As you can see, the color is same, so you will not be able to see the icons or any sort of component inside. So you need to change the color of this component. So I'm just going to make it a little darker gray. All right. As you can see now, we have a visibility on the icons. Just copy paste this 4 times and let's adjust the icons. There we go. So we have the 4 set of icons, and I think we are done with the wireframe mockup. Uh, let's